Hi, we're the Cat Trio.
Damn it, I'm Blazz.
I'm Animations.
I'm Ghostcat.
Let's introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Blazz. I'm a cube. I mostly draw comic books. I have 1 year of animating experience. But everyone calls me a terrorist. I'm a terrorist, fucking balloon, 9/11.
I knew your walls.
I'm kind of the brains of our operation. And I'm way obsessed with Geometry Dash. See y'all.
Hi, I'm CatMations. I'm the animator. You can probably guess I'm the animator and refiner of our operation. I'm the king with 6 years of animating experience. I am the king. Overall, I think the Cat Trio is going to be awesome. Peace.
Hi, I'm Ghostcat. I'm the war guy. My home's at Noata where I do my job as an agent soldier. I have killed more than 100 villains in the day. I don't have any experience in animation, but I mostly draw the comics so detailed that Mona Lisa hates me. I help my team post their content in their socials like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Speaking of socials, I own all of them. Well, see y'all.